Happy Wednesday, friends. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist with a look at your 1-minute weather. Lots of moisture gathering in the northern Gulf of Mexico, but that moisture is going to get steered away from Texas and Louisiana. Also, this disturbance has a medium chance of tropical formation, 50% over the next 48 hours. So we may be dealing with either a tropical depression or our next named storm, which would be Mindy, moving toward the coastline of Florida, or perhaps not even developing as it moves off the coast of Georgia. So we'll monitor that for you. Meanwhile, closer to home, the current conditions are favorable for some higher levels of ozone. An ozone pollution watch is in effect for 3 counties across southeast Texas, Harris, Galveston, and Brazoria counties. So for those of you that may have some respiratory issues or have asthma, you may want to limit some of that outdoor activity today. Meanwhile, the temperatures this afternoon will warm along the coastline in the low 90s. Also on the east side of town, Port Arthur, Beaumont, windy in the low 90s there. But the closer you get to the I-45 corridor and even west of that interstate, we are looking at temperatures somewhere in the mid to upper 90s. Now, if you enjoyed this morning, those temperatures that dipped into the upper 60s, there will be less of you waking up into the 60s tomorrow morning as we briefly see those winds shift out of the Gulf as another front approaches the area. That front is expected to clear out sometime tomorrow, and that's going to reinforce the already low humid weather across the area. But expect those overnight lows to dip down into the upper 60s to low 70s. If you are enjoying this drier weather, the cooler mornings, you're going to enjoy what's ahead as we close out the week and even for the first half of the weekend. That front will reinforce the drier air, so we've got plenty of dry air in place across the Lone Star State. But notice where we're starting to see that deeper moisture coming in from the Gulf. We'll slowly start to see the edge of that higher moisture coming in south of I-10 sometime on Sunday, and then spreading more area wide as we get into Monday, Tuesday, even Wednesday of next week. And that deeper tropical moisture will play a part and increasing our rain and storm chances, again, beginning on Sunday and continuing beyond the Monday, Tuesday timeframe. Something else that we'll have to monitor with that pool of moisture is any tropical development. Right now, the Climate Prediction Center has a moderate confidence that tropical development will be possible in this favored zone, this area highlighted in red, between September 15th through the 21st. So that would be placing us sometime Wednesday and continuing through the weekend. So just putting you on notice that along with these heavier rain chances or higher rain chances, we'll also be watching for the potential of tropical development into the Gulf as we get into next week. So enjoy these drier days ahead. Look at those temperatures falling again into the 60s when you wake up Friday morning, and the coolest morning on tap will be Saturday morning. So if you don't have plans yet to be outdoors, whether that be that early morning jog or just out in the park with the kids, you may want to plan something, especially since the weather is going to be so nice. All right, that's a look at your forecast.